Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on the Studio West Pure Passion Flawless Finish Makeup, which looks like this. So I'm in the shade 01 light beige, which is the lightest shade what they have got. This retails for 550 rupees for 30 ml of product. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. It comes in a black matte box with some glossy lines on it. Coming to the packaging, this is how the actual packaging of the product looks like. So this is how the actual product looks like. They have actually nailed the packaging, I would say. It again comes in a black pump with glossy lines on it. It has a pump which is great, and it is very travel friendly and very sleek packaging. So this has a golden pump on it which makes it very easy to take out the product, and you can control the amount of product which comes out, so there is no product wastage, and it's also very hygienic. So they have around 4 shades in this foundation. I'm in the lightest shade, that is 01. They have beautiful shade selection for the Indian skin tones, because most of the foundations have a nice yellow undertone to it. This time around they have actually neglected the fairer skin tones, which is quite weird in the Indian industry, because they make more for the fairer skin tones and neglect the darker skin beauties. So they have very good selection for medium to dark skin beauties. So coming to the product, it says pump several times to release. Add a few dab of foundation to either cheek, on the nose, chin and on the forehead. Blend evenly for a flawless look. So that's all it says. It doesn't claim to be a matte foundation or a dewy foundation, but I have this on my face right now, so I would say it's a semi matte foundation, and it has a nice beautiful sheen on the skin as well. Right now I'm not wearing any highlighter on my skin, and you can see a light sheen on my face, which I really love. So I've not used a primer, or I've not used a setting powder to set my skin. This is just the foundation, and without the primer it actually glides on very nice. So I have used this foundation before without a primer, and it did stay for quite some time on my skin. It stayed for about 5 to 6 hours. So I would say if you want to increase the wear time of this foundation, you can use a primer and you can set it with a compact powder. So I'm sure it's going to last for more than 8 to 9 hours, which is great. So coming to the coverage of this foundation, I would say it has pretty medium to buildable coverage. Since I do not have any blemishes or anything of that sort, it gave me a good coverage in just one pump. So if you guys are having any spots or any pimple marks, I would say you can layer it up and it would look really flawless. I did not even use a concealer, so I would say you don't even need a concealer to conceal your under eye. So as of now I have nothing on my face. I have just a moisturizer, and I've done my eyebrows and a little bit of lip balm. So I'm just gonna demo it for you guys. I'm gonna apply one layer of foundation and demo it as to how it looks on my skin. So I've just put one layer of the foundation on my face, and you guys can see it's given a pretty good coverage on my face. I do not have much of blemishes or pimples on my face, so it gives a nice beautiful finish to the skin. So I'll just do the rest of my makeup and get back to you guys. So even though the foundation is quite thick, I would say it is very easy to blend this. I would say this is going to suit even the oily skin beauties, but you just have to set it with a nice compact powder and you're good to go. This shade actually matches me perfectly. So this is going to suit normal to dry skin beauties very well. So you guys might have guessed it by now that I've been absolutely loving this foundation. It's actually very affordable, and it does not burn a hole in your pocket, and it matches very well. It blends like a dream. It stays for very long time, even without a primer or a compact powder. So I would say this is a very good drugstore foundation if you're on a budget. And I'm almost done with this foundation. I've been using it non-stop over last few months, so I am going to purchase this one for sure. So that's it for my review on the Studio West Flawless Foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed this. So this video has been requested by some of my subscribers, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give it a big thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.